Cutting across to Dev Ankur joining us live. Dev, all eyes on the Rajasthan Assembly at 3 p.m. There's going to be a trust vote that will be initiated by Gehlot and his members. It's going to be interesting to see how Sachin Pilot, now that he is not the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, will be seated right behind with the independent MLAs. What do you think is going to be the scenario and the situation right there? What's the sentiment on ground?
Well, clearly earlier when the assembly sessions used to be held in about 1.5 years tenure of this government which has happened, Sachin Pilot used to be seated in the front row. He was the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan and a senior Congress leader, but now it clearly seems that when he has been stripped of the post of the Deputy Chief Minister, perhaps no longer will he be sitting in the front row where the Rajasthan Chief Minister and Finance Minister Ashok Gehlot sits. His position can go to the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Shanti Dhariwal, and Dhariwal can occupy the position which earlier Sachin Pilot used to occupy. Also, remember Vishwendra Singh and Bhavarlal Sharma, two of the confidants of Sachin Pilot, both of them were also, unceremoniously suspended from the Congress, although that suspension was removed and they were brought back into the mainstream party fold. But Vishwendra Singh, who was the tourism minister also, that was taken away from him. So he also could be, demoted as far as his positioning or his seating in the Rajasthan Assembly is concerned. So that can be really interesting as to how the entire situation pans out. What is the seating arrangement? What kind of sentiments, emotions, barbs, jibes flow inside? Because it's expected to be a very stormy session of Rajasthan Assembly. I spoke with Pratap Singh Kachariawaz, who is a senior cabinet minister in Rajasthan government moments ago, and he mentioned to me that 100% the Congress is going to bring a confidence motion in the Rajasthan Assembly, and he also mentioned that we will defeat the nefarious agenda of the BJP. So clearly Congress is now in a buoyant mood. The Congress feels that it has the numbers, and after the MLAs of the Pilot camp have made a return, the Gehlot government believes that it is on a firm, confident footing and that it will be able to sail through this session and that the government is safe, at least for the time being.
Dev, it's the Congress government there who has the numbers. It's quite clear that they are on a firm footing, but what's interesting is that the BJP still said that they wanted to move a no-confidence motion. Now, we know that if the government, the Chief Minister, wants to move a trust vote, initiate a trust vote, the result of the trust vote, of course, would supersede a no-confidence motion there, appealed by any member for that matter. But we understand that this is a deliberate attempt by the BJP to still anyway go ahead with it because they want to corner the Rajasthan government over several issues, possibly governance that's taken a backseat over the last 1 month.
Well, there are several issues. Corona, pandemic, the law and order situation, the financial condition of the state, all of these issues are pressing issues which should be discussed on priority basis. But the agenda behind the BJP deciding to bring a no-confidence motion primarily seems to be trying to embarrass the Ashok Gehlot government. It believes that still there are few MLAs, despite the apparent truce that has been reached, who, are not quite on board. They are still not happy with the way Ashok Gehlot has been functioning, despite the assurances, and these MLAs could abstain or could vote against the Ashok Gehlot government. So if that happens, if the number of Ashok Gehlot government gets reduced by 5 to 10 MLAs, despite holding on to the government, despite being in majority, that can be quite, embarrassing or discomfortable as far as the numbers game is concerned. So that is what the BJP is trying to hit at, and it knows for a fact right now that the Ashok Gehlot government has the majority, that it is not as if it lacks the numbers.
This more or less is like a deliberate attempt from the BJP side there, possibly to corner the Gehlot government, raise questions. It's going to be quite a stormy session is what we believe here. Dev, do stay with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.